What's up, guys? So this is a Chevy Tahoe. Used to have a 350 in it, which is in the machine shop right now. Replaced these two motor mounts, and I looked online trying to find instructions on how to do this, and I saw one guy cut his frame right here or underneath it. I can't remember. I think it was right here, and I don't think that's the way to go as far as messing with the structure of the frame. So I'll show you how I got to this bolt right here from underneath, and then these two bolts right here are actually very easy. I dropped one underneath in my frame, so I have to go get another one today. But these top ones are actually fairly easy to install. So what I did was I made a tool that would actually reach all the way up to that top bolt, and it's just a piece of pipe. It's very thin. It's aluminum. I think it was a frame for a tent or something like that. And then I flattened the end here and put a screw with a nut on it. And this is the open end of the wrench, so I could push without it coming off. And then the box end is what I actually slipped over the end of the nut or the bolt up in the top of the frame. So I'm going to show you what I did to reach that bolt. I'm going to try to get light and everything up in there so you can actually see this. And then I'll show you what I did to actually put the bolt back up in there so we could tighten the new motor mounts back on. Give me just a second. I'm going to slide up under the truck. Okay, so if you've tried to do this yourself, you know it's not easy to get up underneath there. And the bolt that I'm looking for, you can see the two empty holes right, where's my finger? There. So you can see the two empty holes right there, and the nut and bolt are way up there. So with that tool that I made, you can just slip this, and I put the bend in it so that it fits around this control arm right here. But basically, you slip this up in there, and I don't think you're going to be able to see what I'm doing because I can't even see right now. I don't have enough light. So without trying to hold the camera, you kind of get the idea. You just slide this up in there until you get the box end on the nut up there, and you can hold this. And somebody, this is preferably a two-person job, somebody up top can loosen that nut or bolt depending on the direction that the stud is actually sticking, and loosen that up. So what I did to put it back in to get me where I am right now, let me find my magnet, hang on. Okay, so to get it back in, I used my magnet, and I held onto the bolt. So I put it back in reverse. I did not put the bolt down through the frame and the nut on from this side. I put the bolt up through the frame and put the nut on from the up side. Much easier. Block sits down on it, so I figured it'd probably be okay. But basically, I just fished this guy up there real easy, so I didn't drop it, all the way up right into that hole right up there. So it's not that difficult. Just get you a good strong magnet. I used a weaker magnet, and that's how I dropped one of my bolts, and it fell right behind this, and it's setting up inside this frame somewhere back in there. So not getting that one, so I guess we'll have some rattling sound, but it's not as difficult as you think. And if all you have to do is find you a piece of pipe or something that you can bend, or something that can extend your wrench, that you can put a little curve in to get past that control arm to go this direction while still grabbing the top of the nut, and that should do it. So hopefully this video helps somebody that's trying to replace motor mounts in a small block Chevy or a Tahoe. It may be even the same for a V6, I don't know, but that's what I did. So again, hopefully this helps somebody. That's where I still have to finish right here. I have to put these two bolts in. I got to go buy this one so I can put the other one in. And then I have this one already assembled and set to go. So when I get my block back from the machine shop, I can wrap this up. So again, hope this helps somebody, and thanks for watching.